Assalamu alaikum class. Today we have topic LU decomposition. In LU decomposition we break a square matrix which is non-singular and whose inverse exists into two components L and U, where L is lower triangular and U is upper triangular. Computer usually solves square system of linear equations with the help of LU decomposition, whose results are more useful and more accessible for the computation. For example, we have a question. In this we have suppose x1 plus 2 times x2 plus 4x3 equals to 3, and second equation we have 3x1 plus 8x2 plus 14x3 equals to 13, and one more equation 2 times x1 plus 6x2 plus 13 times x3 equals to 4. First we write the coefficient of matrix. We have 1, 3, 2, 2, 8, 6, 4, 14 and 13, and here we have x1, x2 and x3. At the end 3, 13 and 4. Suppose this is matrix A, X and B. First we are going to find upper triangular in this, then with the help of upper triangular we find lower triangular. Then we use these two formulas, L y equals to B and U of x equals to y, and we find our solution. Now first is make this upper triangular. Upper triangular is a matrix in which we have below the diagonal 0. So you see this is our diagonal and I need these three to be 0. So this 3 can be 0 if I multiply row 1 by 3 and then solve with row 2. Similarly this 2 can be 0 if I multiply row 1 with 2 and solve with row 3. So operation will be row number 2 minus 3 times R1, and second operation will be row 3 minus 2 times R1. So when I do this I have this form. First row stays the same, 1, 2, 4, then multiply by 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, multiply by 3, 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, multiply this with 3, 4 3s are 12, 14 minus 12 is 2, then this operation multiply by 2, 2 minus 2 0, again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, then 4 2s are 8, 13 minus 8 is 5. Now this is left. So this can be 0 if I subtract row 3 and row 2. So operation will be R3 minus R2. So we have first row same as it is, second row stays the same, and here we have 0 and this 2 minus 2 will be 0, then we have 5 minus 2 which is 3. Now this matrix is our U. Now with the help of U we will write our lower triangular matrix, and we know that in lower triangular matrix at the diagonal we have 1 and upper elements are 0. Now these three we find with the help of these operation. So look at the specific position, this we have here 0. How this 0 came? by subtracting R2 minus R3. So the multiplier is minus 3. So this element will be opposite of this. The opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. So we have here 3. So next specific position is this, and here we have 0. This 0 came with this operation, and the multiplier in this is minus 2. Look at this minus 2. Now the opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. So we have here 2. Now this last specific position is left. This came by this operation. Look at this, we have 0 here by doing this operation. So multiplier here is minus 1. The opposite of minus 1 is positive 1. So we write here plus 1. Now this is our lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular and lower triangular. Now we are going to find next step. First is Ly equals to B. L is this matrix. So write this matrix 3 1 0 0 1 0 0 3 1 0 2 1 1, and here we have unknowns y1, y2 and y3, and right hand side is b. Our b is 3, 13 and 4. Now simplify and find the values of these unknowns. So we have y1 times 1 is 3, and next we have 3 times y1 plus y2 is 13, and if I put y1 I get y2. So y2 will be 13 minus 3 y1. On simplification, 13 minus 3 y1 is 3. It means 13 minus 9 will be 4. Now last one is left. So we have 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals to 4. Put the values of y1 and y2 to find y3. So 2 y1 is we are going to find, and y1 is 3. So write here 3. y1 is 3, y2 is 4, and y3 we will find 3 to the 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 minus 10 of 6. It means y we have 3, 4 and minus 6. Now we use next ux equals to y. Our u is this matrix 1 2 4 0 2 2 0 0 and 3, and for x we have x1 x2 and x3. On the right hand side we have y, which is 3 4 and minus 6. So multiply, we have x1 plus 2 times x2 plus 4 x3 equals to 3, 2x2 plus 2x3 equals to positive 4, and from last we have 3x3 equals to minus 6. From here we get x3, which is minus 2. If I put x3 in this equation, I will get x2. So 2 times x2 is equals to 4 minus 2x3, then 4 minus 2, x3 is minus 2, 4 plus 4 is 8. Now x2 will be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. I have the value of x3, x2. I put in this equation, I have x1. So x1 will be 3 minus 2 times x2, which is 4, minus 4 x3, which is minus 2. So 3 minus 8 and plus 8. This minus 8 and plus 8 will be cancelled out, and x1 is 3. So we have x 3, 4 and minus 2. This is how we applied LU method to first find upper triangular, lower triangular, then unknowns x1, x2 and x3. I hope things are clear. Thank you.